ServSafe Alcohol Primary and Alcohol Advanced Part 1 25 Questions and Answers. Question 1. If you are not certain that an ID is valid, what should you do? A. Question the guest until he gives up and leaves. B. Call the local police. C. Serve the guest a weaker version of the drink ordered. D. Ask the guest for a second valid ID. Question 2. What feature is often added to IDs to keep them secure? A. Ultraviolet text and features. B. Digitally blurred photos. C. Blank backs. D. Toll-free verification hotline numbers. Question 3. When would you need to fill out an incident report? A. A taxi was called for an intoxicated person. B. A guest is not appropriately dressed. C. A minor is seated with adults who are not drinking. D. When a guest becomes intoxicated. Question 4. How much pure alcohol is contained in each of the following? A 12-ounce beer, 4-ounce wine, 1 1/4 ounce 18 proof alcohol, or 1 ounce 100 proof alcohol. A. Half an ounce pure alcohol. B. 3/4 ounce pure alcohol. C. 1 ounce pure alcohol. D. A 1/4 ounce pure alcohol. Question 5. Which is true about liquor laws? A. Municipal liquor laws can be stricter than state liquor laws. B. Violation of liquor laws will not result in an establishment losing its liquor license. C. Only the local liquor authority has the responsibility for monitoring and enforcing liquor laws. D. Obtaining a liquor license is the right of every operation. Question 6. No state law forbids a pregnant woman to consume alcohol, but some states require you to A. Pass out written warnings to pregnant guests. B. Establish their own policies regarding serving pregnant guests. C. Verbally warn pregnant guests of effects of alcohol on fetus. D. Post a visible sign that warns guests of alcohol's effects on the fetus. Question 7. What must an ID contain in order to be valid? A. Signature. B. Hologram. C. Social Security number. D. State seal. Question 8. Which is an acceptable form of identification? A. Passport. B. School ID. C. Birth certificate. D. Voter's registration card. Question 9. A recipe for a margarita includes 2 ounces of 80 proof tequila and 1 ounce of 80 proof Grand Marnier. How many standard drinks does this recipe contain? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. Question 10. If you are not certain that an ID is valid, what should you do? A. Question the guest until he gives up then leaves. B. Call the local police. C. Serve the guest a weaker version of the drink ordered. D. Ask the guest for a second valid ID. Question 11. Most of the alcohol a person consumes is metabolized by the A. Kidneys, B. Liver, C. Small intestine, D. Capillaries. Question 12. How many drinks are in a 3-ounce glass of 80 proof vodka? A. 2, B. 1, C. 3, D. 4. Question 13. What does civil liability mean for sellers or servers of alcohol? A. They can be sued and forced to pay damages for injuries. B. They can be fined for failing to pass a compliance check. C. They can be held responsible for committing a crime. D. They can be fined for violating the establishment's liquor license. Question 14. A guest has a birthday of February 5th, 1999. In what year do they turn 21? A. 2020, B. 2021, C. 2018, D. 2019. Question 15. What should you do if the guest is intoxicated when he arrives at your establishment? A. Serve the guest no more than 1 alcoholic drink. B. Take his car keys. C. Use physical force to stop him from entering. D. Make sure he gets home safely. Question 16. Which is an example of a criminal violation? A. Serving alcohol to a guest who appears to be intoxicated. B. Serving alcohol to a pregnant woman. C. Serving alcohol to a guest who is taking medication. D. Serving alcohol to a regular. Question 17. Which should be avoided when telling people that you have to stop service? A. Citing company policy. B. Expressing concern. C. Being firm. D. Using you statements. Question 18. What is the percentage of alcohol in an 80 proof bottle of vodka? A. 30%, B. 40%, C. 20%, D. 10%. Question 19. When is the best time to inform a guest that you have to stop alcohol service? A. When the person tries to order another drink. B. After you have arranged a safe ride home for the person. C. Before the person has ordered food. D. As you serve the person's last drink. Question 20. How many drinks are in a 2-ounce glass of 100 proof whiskey? A. 1, B. 4, C. 2. D. 3. Question 21. Civil penalties may include which of the following? A. Probation. B. Fines. C. Serving prison time. D. Payment of damages. Question 22. When should you write an incident report? A. If a criminal charge is filed. B. At the end of your shift. C. 1 day after an incident occurs. D. Immediately after the incident. Question 23. What should you do to verify that an ID belongs to a guest? A. Compare the guest to the physical characteristics on the ID. B. Compare the guest to someone of the same approximate age. C. Compare the ID to an ID list in an ID checking guide. D. Compare the ID to confiscate fake IDs. Question 24. What percentage of alcohol is passed through the small intestine into the bloodstream? A. 8%. B. 50%. C. 20%. D. 80%. Question 25. Which food is mostly likely to slow the absorption of alcohol into the bloodstream? A. Wheat bread. B. Cheese sticks. C. Garden salad. D. Unsalted pretzels. Question 25. Which food is mostly likely to slow the absorption of alcohol into the bloodstream? A. Wheat bread. B. Cheese sticks. C. Garden salad. D. Unsalted pretzels. ServSafe Alcohol Primary and Alcohol Advanced. Part 1 answers. 1. D. 2. A. 3. A. 4. A. 5. A. 6. D. 7. A. 8. A. 9. B. 10. D. 11. B. 12. B. 13. A. 14. A. 15. D. 16. A. 17. D. 18. B. 19. A. 20. C. 21. D. 22. D. 23. A. 24. D. 25. B. ServSafe Alcohol Primary and Alcohol Advanced. Part 1. 25 questions and answers.
Thank you for watching.